Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make DIY tinsel. For this you will need tape, a pair of scissors, glue, a ruler, a metal wire and some used wrapping paper. Next, tape the wire onto the wrapping paper. Apply a thin layer of glue along the metal wire. Crease it in the middle. Leave 1 centimeter on both sides starting from the metallic wire. Cut strips up to the marked point. Twist the stripped paper. Then you will have your DIY tinsel ready to go on your Christmas tree. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.